Hello everyone, I am Priya Bhatt, Student Placement Coordinator of ECE at NIE. Let us look at the topic surds and indices in this video. Index is nothing but an exponential of a number, whereas surd is an irrational number and hence it cannot be expressed in terms of a pure fraction. So we will represent it in terms of roots. For example, square root of 2 is an surd. Now let us look at few problems related to surds and indices. There are few set of rules that we will have to remember. So now let us look at those. Laws of indices. A power m into a power n is nothing but a power m plus n. Whenever the base is common, you can just add the exponents and it will give us the result. A power m by a power n is nothing but a power m minus n, whereas a power m whole power n is a power m into n, and ab whole power n is a power n into b power n. A power 0 is nothing but 1. Laws on surds. Nth root of a can be written as a power 1 by n, whereas nth root of a into b is nth root of a into nth root of b. Nth root of a by b is nothing but nth root of a by nth root of b. Now let us solve nth root of a whole power n. This will be equal to nth root of a is nothing but a power 1 by n from this formula whole power n, which is nothing but a. These are simple calculations on the number system. Now let us look at few problems related to this. The question says find 1024 power minus 4 by 5. Now let us write 1024, that is a base, in such a way that it will get cancelled with the exponent. 1024 can be written as 4 power 5. 4 power 5 whole power minus 4 by 5. Now this 5 gets cancelled with the exponent 5 and this will result in 4 power minus 4, which is nothing but 1 by 4 power 4, which is 1 by 256 is the answer. The next question is find 0.0016 whole power 3 by 4. This can be written as 0.0016 is nothing but 16 by 1 4 times 0 whole power 3 by 4. Now this 16 can be written as 2 power 4 by 1000 is nothing but 10 power 4. 10,000 is nothing but 10 power 4 whole power 3 by 4. The exponent 4 is common here. We will take it as common and 2 by 10 whole power 4 into 3 by 4. This 4 gets cancelled. 2 by 10 whole cube, which is nothing but 1 by 125. Let us move on to the next question. The question says find the value of x in the given equation. So the question is a by b whole power x minus 1 is equal to b by a whole power x minus 3. We need to make the base common here in order to solve this equation. In order to make the base as common, we will inverse the given exponent. Now the equation becomes a by b whole power x minus 1 is equal to, on inversing this, it will result a by b minus of x minus 3. Now as the base is common, we can equate the exponents. X minus 1 is equal to minus of x minus 3. X minus 1 plus x minus 3 is equal to 0. 2x is equal to 4. This will result x is equal to 2. This is the required answer. The next question is find square root of 5, root of 5, root of 5. There is a simple formula to remember here. The formula says square root of a into square root of a into square root of a till n times is equal to a power 2 power n minus 1 by 2 power n. Here in the question we can see that the value of a is 5 and the value of n is equal to 3. Now we can write it as a is 5 power 2 power n is nothing but 3, 2 power 3 minus 1 by 2 power 3, which is nothing but 5 power 8 minus 1 by 8. 5 power 7 by 8 is our answer. How many zeros are there in 2000 power 10? 2000 power 10 is nothing but 2000 into 2000 into 2000 10 times. 2000 has 3 zeros, hence 3 zeros 10 times will result 30 times zeros. Hence the answer for this question is 30. Thank you.